Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to sleep after pre-workout. Dim lights, cool the room, and start a wind-down routine with light stretching and deep breathing to counteract stimulation. Focus on slow exhalations, avoid screens, and sip water or a small carb snack if needed. Keep the bed for sleep only, and give yourself 30 to 90 minutes for the routine to take effect before lying down to rest. Start by rinsing your face and dimming lights to cue melatonin production. Do gentle stretching and 5 to 10 minutes of progressive muscle relaxation to lower heart rate. Practice paced breathing with longer exhales for calm. If caffeine timing is the issue, note when you took it and adjust future workouts. Keep pre-sleep snacks light and avoid heavy meals that might keep you awake or disrupt digestion. Consider a low-dose magnesium supplement or a calming herbal tea if your system is still buzzing after a workout. Lower the thermostat and use breathable bedding to help body temperature drop naturally. Use a short, timed worry journal to offload intrusive thoughts before bed. If sleep trouble continues regularly, adjust pre-workout timing or choose lower stimulant formulas to better match your evening schedule and sleep.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.